Hello future doctors. In this video, I include important questions, assertion and reason type questions from previous AIIMS from the chapter Animal Kingdom. If you all like the video, please like, share and comment, and please support our channel by subscribing it. Assertion. In mammals, a secondary palate is developed. Reason. The development of secondary palate is mainly in response to the backward shifting of internal areas. Right answer is A. If both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion. Cold-blooded animals have no fat layer. Reason. Cold-blooded animals use their fat for metabolic process during hibernation. Right answer is B. If both assertion and reason are true, and reason is not correct explanation of assertion. The correct explanation for assertion is generally fat layers for temperature regulation, but cold-blooded animals do not regulate their temperature, so they have no fat layer. But they have fat bodies in front of the testes, and they may use that fat layer for hibernation. Assertion. All terrestrial mammals are air breathers. Reason. Because of terrestrial habitat, mammals have well-developed lungs for air breathing. Right answer is A. If both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion. Salamander, Sphenodon are classified as amphibian. Reason. Sphenodon is regarded as living fossil. Right answer is option D. If assertion is false, but reason is true. Assertion is false because salamander is an amphibian and Sphenodon is a reptile. And reason is true, that is Sphenodon is a living fossil. Assertion. Among the land animals, the cheetah can run fastest over the ground. Reason. The cheetah uses its powerful forelimbs to push itself forward during running. Right answer is option A. That is, if both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion. Lateral line system is found in fishes and aquatic larval amphibians. Reason. Lateral line system has receptors which are the clusters of sensory cells derived from ectoderm. The right answer is option B. If both assertion and reason are true, and reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Correct explanation for assertion is the presence of lateral line system that found in fishes and aquatic larval amphibians is to detect the movement and pressure changes in its surroundings. Assertion. Bats and whales are classified as mammals. Reason. Bats and whales have four-chambered heart. The right answer is option B. If both assertion and reason are true, and reason is not correct explanation of assertion. And because the correct explanation of assertion is that both bats and whales are mammals because they possess essential mammalian characters. The essential mammalian characters like presence of milk gland, presence of pinnae and viviparous nature, hair on the body, presence of diaphragm, etc. And they also possess four-chambered heart, and all mammals possess four-chambered heart, but it is not the essential character of a mammal. So we cannot say that reason is the correct explanation for assertion. Assertion. All birds except the one like quail, cuckoo, build nests for retiring and taking rest during nighttime, daytime for nocturnal. Reason. Quail lays its eggs in the nest of tailor bird. The right answer is option C. If assertion is true but reason is false. Because a quail or cuckoo that need not build any nest because they transfer their responsibility for building a nest, incubate eggs and nurture hatchling to others birds, especially crows. Thus they are called brood parasites. But tailor bird is a garden bird that makes its nest by swinging. It has no direct relation with quail and cuckoo. Assertion. Tapeworm, roundworm and pinworm are endoparasites of human intestine. Reason. Improperly cooked food is the source of all intestinal infections. Correct answer is option A. if both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion: platypus and the spiny anteater both are egg-laying animals, yet they are grouped under mammals. Reason: platypus and spiny anteater have 7 cervical vertebrae and 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Right answer is option A. If both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion: torsion can be seen in ctenidium. Reason: ctenidium acts as respiratory organ. Right answer is option B. If both assertion and reason are true and reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Ctenidium is a gill situated on the right side of the branchial chamber and that helps in the respiration by beating its cilia. And during the development, ctenidium shifts from the left side to right side and that is called a torsion. That is a characteristic of gastropods. Assertion: cephalization is advantageous to an animal. Reason: cephalization improves the appearance of the animal. Right answer is option C. If assertion is true but reason is false. Because cephalization is the concentration of nervous tissues and sense organs in or towards the anterior end forming a distinct head, and that provide greater prominence and domination of the head over the rest of the body, and it does not improve the appearance of the animal. So reason is false and assertion is true. Assertion: rhabdome is present in palemon. Reason: rhabdome has an important role in digestion. Right answer is option C. If assertion is true but reason is false. Because the inner end of corn cells lie upon an elongated spindle-shaped rod that is rhabdome. And rhabdome is secreted and surrounded by a group of 7 elongated retinal cells, and rhabdome along with the retinal cell that are together form receptor region of the eye. They have no relation with digestion. So the reason is false. Assertion: in cockroach, respiratory gases directly comes in contact with the various organs of the body. Reason: cockroaches do not have respiratory pigment. Right answer is option A. If both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion: some marine animals find it difficult to live in fresh water and vice versa. Reason: some animals can tolerate a narrow salinity range while others can tolerate a wide salinity range. Right answer is option A. If both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Assertion: Branchiostoma and Belanoglossus are bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic animals. Reason: they are exclusively marine and possess notochord. Right answer is option C. If assertion is true but reason is false. That is both Belanoglossus and Branchiostoma, they are bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic animals. And Belanoglossus belongs to phylum Hemichordata and Branchiostoma belongs to phylum Cephalochordata. And both are marine animals, but Belanoglossus do not possess a notochord, but Branchiostoma, that is a chordate, possesses notochord that persists throughout life. Assertion: in pleurobrachia, 8 complex ciliary plates called comb plates are present on the body that help in locomotion. Reason: pleurobrachia reproduce sexually and its life cycle includes dipid larvae. Right answer is option B. If both assertion and reason are true and reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. That is, ctenophores are characterized by 8 rows of cilia that are used for locomotion, and cilia in each row are arranged to form a stack of combs that are called comb plates. So they are named as ctenophores, but the given reason is not the correct explanation for the assertion.